Good morning, students. Today we are going to have a new chapter, that is circles. Today just you want to see what you know in your previous classes. Yes, so many times, so many definitions which are related to a circle you know very well. Just I want to remind you what are those and how they are having some particular properties. Okay, so now the circle and the related terms. Yes, first one, that is definition, and secondly, terms related to circle are, that is radius and its properties. Diameter and its properties. Chord and the properties, and segment and some points are there, sector and arc and angles in the segment. Angle in the segment. These are the points today we want to discuss. And concentric circles. Concentric circles and congruent circles. These are the points already you know very well. Today also just we are going to remind. So, what is the definition of a circle? Yes, circle can be drawn with the help of instrument. Is called compass. Is it? Already you know that how to draw a circle, and also we can give the examples. So, wheel of a cycle, bangles, yes, and tubes and tires. So many examples you can give which are in the form of circular rings. Is it? Okay. So how they are? The terms are which are related to the circle. So circle, just it is. Yes. Just I am drawing a circle by the help of geometrical instrument called compass. So now, here we can define that circle is a set of infinite number of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. So also we can define circle is a locus of a point. Infinite number of points which are equidistant, equidistant from a fixed point is called a circle. So that fixed point is called center of a circle. Fixed point is called center of a circle. Yes, this is the definition. So P is a point on the boundary of circle. That boundary of circle is called a circumference of circle. Yes, now said to be boundary of a circle, which is geometrical. We can tell that name is circumference of circle. So P is a point on the circumference of circle. On the circle means what to mean? Circumference of the circle. P is the point on the circumference of the circle. So OP, O is the center of the circle. P is the point on circumference of circle. So the distance between any point on the circumference of circle from the center is called radius of the circle. Generally we are denoting by small r, radius of circle. That is a line segment. OP is a line segment. P must be on the circumference of circle. So OP is a line segment. Distance between center and any point on the circumference of circle is called radius of the circle. So how many radii can be drawn? Infinite number of points. Infinite number of points. So infinite radii can be drawn. Infinite radii can be drawn. Are they all equal? Yes. Yes, because set of infinite points are which are equidistant. All points which are forming the circle are equidistant from the center. So whatever the number of radii can be drawn in a circle, all are equal. All radii of a given circle are equal. So now, yes, A is a point on circumference of circle. B is a point on circumference of circle joining AB. The distance between any two points on the circumference of circle joined by the line is called chord. Chord of a circle. Yes, chord is distance between any two points on the circumference of the circle. How many chords can be drawn? Infinite numbers are there. So infinite number of chords can be drawn. Yes. So now, are they all chords are equal? Are they all chords are equal? No. Yes, because another chord also you can draw. Here you can draw. Yes, these are the chords. So all chords are not equal. And another important property, chord AB divides the circle into two parts. Each part is called segment. Each part is called segment of a circle. So this is also a segment. So this is called minor segment. This is called major segment. Minor segment and major segment. So what is segment? Yes. So now here the distance between A and B, this is also distance. This is also distance. Part of the circumference of the circle. What is this? Part of the circumference of the circle is called an arc. Is called an arc. Arc means part of the circumference of circle. The smaller part is minor arc, bigger part is major arc. So minor and major. Minor arc, this is minor arc and this is major arc. So you are sometimes writing that AB is an arc. AB is an arc. So then what is segment? What is segment? Segment is the area. What? Part of circle. What? Bounded by. Segment is a part of the circle bounded by. Area is bounded by arc and chord. Arc and chord determines a segment. Yes, this also. This is arc and this is chord. It means that what we discussed that chord divides the circle into two parts. Maybe equal or not equal. That is different. Yes. So here unequal parts. Each part is called a segment. Smaller one is called a minor segment. Bigger one is called major segment. So segment is an area bounded by chord and an arc. This is segment. Is it? So property that is major segment, minor segment. Okay. Next, that is arc. Arc. Sector. Sector. Yes. Yes. O is the center of the circle. Yes. A is the point. B is the point. These are the 2 points of circumference circle. So now OA is the radius. OB is the radius. And what is this? This is ABB. What you can tell that? ABB is an arc. So this is called sector. This is called sector. So it means sector is a part of circle. Sector is a part of circle which is bounded by 2 radii and an arc. 2 radii and an arc. So this is smaller one, minor arc, minor sector. This is major sector. Yes, this is also Q, B is an arc. OA is a radius. OB is a radius. Area bounded by 2 radii and arc is called a sector. That is definition of a sector. Understand anything? Yes. A radius, all radii equal, uniform number of radius will be radii drawn. That is the line segment in between center and endpoint of the circumference of the circle. And chord is a line segment which joins the end 2 points of the circumference circle. And arc, part of the circumference circle. And segment, area bounded by arc and chord. Sector, area bounded by 2 radii and an arc. Minor segment, major segment. Then what is diameter? What is diameter? Yes. So now yes. Let's draw a circle. Drawing a circle. Yes. O is the center of the circle. Now P is a point on circle. Q is also a point on circle. PQ is the line segment passing through the center. PQ is a line segment passing through the center is called diameter. It means diameter is the distance between any 2 points on the circumference circle must pass through the center of the circle. So now diameter is a chord, but chord is not diameter. Diameter is a chord. It means you can tell biggest chord of the circle is called diameter, passing through the center. So how many diameters can be drawn? Infinite number of diameters can be drawn. And all diameters are equal. Yes, all diameters are equal. So diameter divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Each part is called semicircle or semi-segment. Semicircle or semi-segment. They are the properties of diameter. Understand anything? Yes. Radius, chord, arc, diameter, segment, major segment, minor segment, and sector. Yes. Now, angle in the segments that we have to see. Last year we have seen that how the angles are prepared, angles are formed in particular segments. Yes, circle is drawn. Circle is drawn. O is center O is center of a circle. S, AB is a chord. AB is a chord. And also one property can tell us about chord. When chord moves towards the center, it increases in length. Sorry, increases in length. When it is away from the circle, decreases in the length. That is also a property. So now this is minor segment. This is minor segment. This is major segment. Okay. Now, just P is the point on minor arc or minor segment. Join AP and BP. Join AP and BP. Can you tell? Can you imagine? Can you tell what is the angle formed here? Understanding? Can you imagine what type of angle is formed? Is it acute? Is it obtuse? Is it right angle? Yes, exactly you can tell it is obtuse angle. It is obtuse angle. So it means more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. Less than 180 degree. So it is obtuse angle. So angle in the minor segment is always obtuse. Angle in the minor segment is always obtuse. So another one example, another one angle I want to draw. Q is a point. Q is a point on the same segment. Joining that AQ and BQ. AQ and BQ. So what we can tell about? Here also obtuse angle is formed. It means angle in the major segment, sorry, minor segment is obtuse. One thing very important that you can do activity. Angle in the P and Q, APB, AQB, two angles in the same segment. Just try to measure and conclude. Conclusion is angle in the same segment are equal. Angle in the same segment are equal. Angle in the minor segment is obtuse. Very careful. And now R is a point on major segment. S is a point on the major segment. Okay, so now angle joining AR and BR. Don't think it is in the passing through the center. Don't think now. I will tell about it. Yes, R. So now this is S. Where you can take it, not a problem. It's okay. Joining AR and BR. So can you observe here? Observe what type of angle is formed. So it is observed acute angle. So angle in the major segment is always acute. Yes, angle in the major segment is always acute. Joining AS and BS, same. This is also acute angle, and angle in the same segment are equal. Angle in the same segment are equal. See, this is what we are calling angle in the segment. Angle in the major segment is acute. Angle in the minor segment is obtuse. Angle in the same segment are equal. So what we can tell about angle in the semi-segment, semicircle? Angle in the semicircle. So semicircle means ST is a point, Q is a point, S PQ is diameter. So what I am telling? Semicircle, semi-segment. So PQ you are circle into two equal parts. Each part is called a semicircle or semi-segment. So just I can take is any point on the arc. It means segment. That is wherever you can take A. So join PA and PB. And just to observe here, you can get here 90 degree. So angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. Where you can take? So yes, now here I am taking one. S B join PA and PQB. So now here also exactly 90 degree. So angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. Angle in the semi-segment is 90 degree. So these are the very important parts. So learn about circle and its parts, the related terms. So once again, chord divides the segment into two unequal parts. Smaller part is called minor segment. Bigger part is called major segment. So angle in the minor segment is obtuse, angle in the major segment is acute, angle in the semi segment are equal. Angle in the semi segment, diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. Each part is called semicircle or semi segment. So angle in the semicircle or angle in the semi segment is always right angle. These are the very important property. Yes. So now next part is what is meant by concentric circles. Concentric circles. When a small stone is dropped into water, yes, small stone is dropped into water, what happens? The rings are formed. They are of different sizes. They are of different sizes. So at that time where the stone is dropped, that is called center. Then number of circles are formed. So same center with different radii. Same center with different radii are called concentric circles. Same center with the different radii. Different radii are called concentric circles. What about congruent circles? Congruent circles means circles with the same radii but different in centers. Different centers having same radii. Yes, R1, R2. If R1 equal to R2, then that's said to be congruent circles. Bangles of same size. Bangles of different size now. Bangles of same size are said to be congruent circles. So wheels of car, congruent. If they are not congruent, is it possible to run? No. So wheels, cycle, car, so whichever bangles, whichever can take, they are all congruent, then only we can run the vehicles. The congruent circles. These are the points which are related to circle. Yes. Next, some parts are there that are to see in your next.